What's the meanest thing you've ever done? Oh.
You're mean to me every day.
Do I have time to think about this?
So yesterday, before the signing, let me answer this for her. We ordered coffee because we were really tired. And through the whole signing, it was a really long signing, I waited and waited for my coffee. And it never came. And afterwards, I found out that Tarryn tasted my coffee and liked it, so she kept it and never gave me hers. She kept both of them, so I never got coffee. That was mean.
She doesn't even drink coffee. That was not mean.
I probably would have liked it.
Okay, the meanest thing I've ever done is in elementary school, I convinced half of my class that in America they developed a machine to age your pictures. And so I had everyone give me a picture, and then I would go to a magazine and cut out pictures of what I thought they would look like and stick it on a real picture and then give it to them, generated from America. Well, there was one girl who liked the boy that I liked, so I cut out a really ugly picture for hers. But I charged them, so I made $5 off of each picture.
Dare someone in the group to do something of your choosing. That's like a pass. Twerk.
I don't know how to twerk.
Twerk.
I don't know how to twerk.
Do your best.
How do you
You've
twerk?
seen Miley Cyrus.
No, I swear to God, I have not. I don't know how to
Don't look
twerk.
at me, you're already gay.
I
You're
swear.
pretty.
I swear.
Give us your version of twerking.
Okay, so how do you twerk?
What do you think twerking is?
I don't know. You go like this. I don't know.
Do it sideways. Give us a good twerk.
Huh?
Give us a good go at the twerking.
I don't know how to twerk. What
That
do
was
you do?
good.
Yeah, Jack.
I want a truth. Show off one weird thing you can do with a body part. Is that can or can't? I guess it would be can. I don't know if I have any weird talents.
You roll your tongue. Roll your
No.
ear.
I can't roll my tongue. What do you mean, like a taco?
Yeah.
You know what I can't do is cross my eyes. Watch. Like, I can't.
Do you let me see? Do you have a laser?
I know. It just doesn't work. Your turn.
Oh. Ugh. Truth. Complete the sentence. It's easy. Writing new adult makes me feel. Writing new adult makes me feel
Like Batman.
sexy. Horny.
I'm writing them wrong.
Read a love scene with an accent.
I'll give you one.
Okay.
Hold on. Give me a second.
What accent do you can do?
You wait and see.
Pick your swan.
You are right there, just right on that love scene.
It's the last there towards the end.
I give you Minnesota. But he'd never made love before, never thought about giving the same pleasure he received, and his baby steps, his hot breath, his tongue, his mouth nudged me toward the sweetest release when he slipped his fingers inside, first one then another.
That's, you hardly even have an accent. What is going on here?
She likes it
Okay,
so
I can do another
much
one.
she can't focus.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna start. Okay.
Just start right there. And his name is Damian.
I'm getting them all confused in my mind. Okay.
Just start out
Hi.
with, did the dingo eat your baby?
Baby. I grasped his shoulders. I wanted him to stop. He paused, taking my flushed face, the rise and fall of my chest, my taut nipples begging for his touch. If you can't take, don't give, he said, sucking on my hot little button.
I think it's enough.
That sounds great. In Australian, Spanglish, Minnesotan. That hot little scene was from The Paper Swan by Layla. What's her last name? Attar?
Tar. You just gotta plug it.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yay.
Truth, finally.
Are we gonna finish
Confess
all of
something.
Oh.
How appropriate is that? Oh, God, I don't know. People tell me to do this all the time. Help me.
She needs my help for everything.
It's not
That's
true.
your confession.
It's not true. Okay. So yesterday I couldn't find my eyeliner, and I don't think this is that big of a deal, but Tarryn and Nina seem to think so. But I used a Sharpie instead of eyeliner. Reply to a basher. What does that mean?
Go on,
No
Goodreads.
one's mean to me.
Everyone loves her.
Like, how do you find it?
I told you I hated you earlier.
Taryn's very mean to me. I don't know. I just,
You do reply to your bashers. The bread.
yeah.
You're
Yeah.
bashing the bread.
Somebody
No.
bashed the bread and she told him to get out of there. Get
I
out of
told
my-
them to leave my vagina bread alone because they were claiming I was being culturally insensitive by keeping and taking around a piece of vagina bread. Anyone who thinks that is culturally insensitive has no sense of humor because bread is in every country. So she must not like her vagina. It couldn't have been about the bread. That's all I have to say.
God. Truth. Okay, here's the last truth.
She's gonna show it.
Eat vagina bread? Is that what it says?
It says name a time when you were an opportunist. So yeah.
I think I'm the opportunist in this
Yeah,
relationship.
so why don't you answer the question?
For you?
Yes.
When you were an opportunist?
No, you. When were you an opportunist?
When I stole someone's boyfriend.
Exactly.
Mine. You can expect me to be very sweet, Christine to smile and take a lot of pictures, and Taryn to snub her nose.
And you want to tell everyone thank you?
Thank
We're
you.
so happy to see everybody.
We love the Philippines.
It's been really great. We're really excited, and we can't wait to see
This is the
everybody.
face of excitement.
No, I'm serious. I'm a smart ass a lot, but I'm serious. This has probably been my favorite trip.
No, you're
Everyone's
just,
so
you're just
nice.
stoic.
She's
So
with
like
us.
when you say you're excited, so you have to
I'm so excited.
put it on. Say it.
I'm so excited.